Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your password with Dropbox, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your password with Dropbox, first, go to the official Dropbox website. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button. Under the password entry field, locate the Forgot Your Password link. Click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be redirected to a page asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account. After entering your email, click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Dropbox. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the password reset link provided in the email. You will be taken to a new page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong and secure password that meets the required criteria. Re-enter your new password in the provided field to confirm it. Once you have both entries filled out, click the Change Password button. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Now, you can return to the Dropbox sign-in page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button to access your account. You have successfully reset your password with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.